Cinnamon is a popular spice derived from the bark of trees belonging to the genus Cinnamomum, widely used in both culinary and medicinal applications. It adds a warm and sweet flavor to dishes. Additionally, cinnamon has been linked to potential health benefits including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Types. The two main types of cinnamon: Ceylon cinnamon or true cinnamon, Cassia cinnamon or Chinese cinnamon. Benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is associated with various potential health benefits. Antioxidant properties. Cinnamon contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may have anti-inflammatory properties which can be beneficial for overall health. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, potentially aiding those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Heart health. It might contribute to heart health by improving lipid profiles, reducing cholesterol, and lowering blood pressure in some cases. Antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. Neuroprotective potential. Some research suggests that cinnamon may have neuroprotective effects, possibly aiding in cognitive function. Ways of use. Cinnamon can be used in various ways to add flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Ground cinnamon. Sprinkle over oatmeal, yogurt, or coffee. Use in baking for cookies, cakes, and muffins. Cinnamon sticks. Infuse in hot beverages like tea or mulled cider. Add to rice dishes or stews for a subtle flavor. Cinnamon essential oil. Dilute and use in diffusers for a warm and inviting aroma. Exercise caution with essential oils, ensuring proper dilution. Cinnamon in beverages. Stir into hot chocolate, chai lattes, or smoothies for a spicy kick. Savory dishes. Include in spice rubs for meats, especially in Middle Eastern or Indian cuisine. It pairs well with lamb, chicken, and beef. Desserts. Enhance the flavor of ice cream, custards, or fruit salads with a sprinkle of cinnamon.